Did everyone get a chance to do it like through on, I can't speak, from like the chapter?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
I'm way through it, sorry.
What'd you say? I don't know what was said. Now, should we just start from the beginning and go?
Sure.
Okay.
I got A for number 1. Or the first one.
Number
Okay. I got
wait for number 2.
2. Or are you talking about the true one? I'm just kidding. So given a 90% B.
Yeah, I got the second one.
What'd you get, Angie?
I'm there now.
Oh, you're
Oh,
good.
they rearranged the answers.
Oh, hopefully you didn't go through and already mark them all.
Nope, I haven't.
Okay, good. That would stink. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Everyone feel good about B?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Do we want to read the questions or do we want to just answer them?
I think we can just answer them.
Yeah, we could just answer them.
Okay.
I got yes, the distribution of the mean of each sample is normal since the data have been determined to be normal for the next one.
Yep. Same.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
All right, for number 4, I got confidence interval for the difference of means using independent samples.
Yep.
That's what I chose.
Yep.
Okay.
On number 5, I chose the last one.
Yep.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
So on number 6, the margin of error for this 95% confidence interval was 1.96.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Devin, can you tell me, I didn't have my Excel spreadsheet, but I'm going to work on that now.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything that we input from a?
So you, oh, sorry. What were you saying? Anything you input where?
Oh, I was just looking to see if there was a file that had to be downloaded before you do that one.
So I used which one is it?
One sample t-test.
Yeah, the one sample t-test, and then you would just go to like the lower bound and the upper bound, and you'd subtract the upper by the lower, and then divide it by 2. Does that make sense, Angie?
I just got the t-test open. I'm just
Okay.
gonna delete what's in there. Okay, now I've got a blank form. I'm going to put the sample mean into the form.
I'm gonna open mine up real quick.
me to put something in the null hypothesis
No.
box?
No, it doesn't change it.
Wait, did you for number 6?
1.96.
Yeah, 1.96.
Yeah.
Did you not get that?
No.
I didn't get that either.
I got 3.182.
That's what I got.
So hold on, I'll
If I
show
put
you.
something in wrong.
Hold on, I can show my screen in a second.
Okay.
After I finish, I need to get you in the back. Okay. Great. Do you have your device? Because no one's using this right now. The kitchen in that drawer. That drawer down. Can you check?
Sorry, my Excel sheets are taking a bit to pull up. Does anyone have it pulled up? We can look at it together.
I'll take a picture of what
have
mine
one.
is. Or show
Yeah, I
you.
can show you mine. Okay. So this is what I got when I put the information in.
Huh.
Did you already submit yours to get a grade?
No.
Or... Okay, because I didn't either.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, oh, I could have done it completely wrong.
I'm still getting 1.96. I can send you how I got it.
Well, do you see my Excel sheet?
Let me zoom in because I have it minimized because I was looking at everything else.
Because I
So-
did everything in the Excel sheet.
So the thing is here. I can't get it down now.
Oops.
Oh,
Okay.
well, that time I could go down.
Oh, I got mine up there.
How do you get Chrome to go back down?
So the mean is 1,000. The standard deviation is 2. And the number is 4. Right? And a 0.95.
So in the reading, it says the lengths are known to follow a normal distribution whose standard deviation is 2 millimeters. So I took that to mean that it was a known standard deviation. So I did it with the Z formula instead of with the Excel spreadsheet.
I don't even know what that means.
So we use the Z formula when we know the standard deviation. We use the T formula for when we don't know the standard deviation. So we use the Excel spreadsheet when we don't know the standard deviation, and when we do know the standard deviation, we use that formula that they taught us earlier.
Oh. I didn't know that.
So it just depends on whether we know the standard deviation or not.
So is there a formula in Excel at all to do that, or do you just...
Well, it's the formula that they taught us before. It's the the thing we get from the
Yeah, I can-
number, the graph thingy times the standard deviation divided by the square root of the number.
I can show you what I did on the Excel sheet
Okay.
because I did it in an Excel
Yeah,
as well.
what's the formula then?
It's whatever. Let me see. Hold on. B10. So this was the Z. So
I
what?
can do my calculations.
Here, I'll just send you I'll send you my picture too. I can show you right here.
Okay, because I
So-
don't even know what the formula is. That's the problem.
How do I get this to work? So cool. Sorry, my computer is freaking out. What the heck is this thing?
What's up?
I can't get
Did we
it.
go for Pinsky?
It won't work.
Don't like double full screen. That's
Okay, is it like the x bar minus the z times?
It's sigma divided by the number. So sigma would be the standard deviation in this case. Oh, she's on a picture.
Wait, hold on. You have a picture?
Yeah, I think she just sent us a picture. I can send you a picture of mine too. If you want, but-
Like through text? I don't know where my phone is.
Yeah.
let's see.
I can figure out how to share this stupid thing again. My computer's like freaking out. Like no.
So where did you get 1.96 then?
That's the z-score.
That's the z-score we got above, which is the p-value, right? Oh, the z-score, yeah, not the p-value. I don't know what I'm talking about.
It's because it's a 95% confidence interval. That's when you go into the graph thingy. If you just select the middle and have the area be 90.95, then that's the z-score it's going to give you.
1.96.
You are much better at explaining that than me. I just have like 90% is the 1.645, 95 is 1.96, and then 99 is 2.576.
Okay. So you put in 0.9 or
Yeah.
0.5 for the area and it gave you 1.96, but you still have to multiply it by the rest of that equation.
So you do the z-score times,
The standard deviation.
yeah,
Well,
sigma
yeah.
divided by the number. That would be the equation
Okay.
you'd put into like spreadsheet.
Okay.
And I just sent the formula out in the group text.
Do you guys know how to get the, like, for some reason my screen for the camera is like in huge mode and I cannot figure out how to get it smaller.
Like it's maximized.
Yeah, but like,
Wait. See that red box in the top right?
it's not it.
No?
You could go to view and exit full screen if you can.
Aha. Thank you. Wow, I am very incapable. I don't know. But it
I
got
had
really
the same problem 5 seconds ago.
big. Yeah, I got really big and I'm like, I can't show you my spreadsheet. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, do you still need to see my spreadsheet or do you have it, Kaylee?
I got it.
Okay, cool. So yeah, so on that spreadsheet, I have just a list of like the 90% confidence levels, 95, and then 99, and then the z-scores that go along with it so that you don't have to use the applet thing.
Okay, I figured it out. I added the equation so I don't have to do it again.
Yeah. So now that we have that,
So the lower bound would be 998.04.
yeah, that's what I got. And then the upper would be one.
Wait, okay.
Yeah.
So how do you find the lower bound and upper bound for? Is it
You take the margin of error and you take the mean and you minus it or plus it
Oh, okay.
from the mean.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
cool.
then the other one would be 1001.96.
So 998.04. Okay.
Okay, we ready to go on to number 9?
I got 38,416 for number 9.
38,416?
Yep.
Yeah. Everyone else get that?
Yeah.
Perfect. So then, did you get that, Angie?
No, but it's okay. I'm just gonna have to go through it when I can take my time.
Oh, because you just got the Excel up, right?
Yeah, and I don't have all these old formulas handy, so I'm just gonna have to go organize myself a little bit.
Okay. Are you sure? Bad.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got, just so you know, we got 38,416. Okay, so for number
I think
10,
mine's frozen. For what number is that?
38,416
For 9.
for 9, yeah. And then 10, did you guys get the last one? Equals?
Yes.
and then- Okay.
And then for 11, the second one.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And then for 12, it's the third one. Yes, it is enough that the data for each apartment building are bell-shaped with no outliers. Did everyone get that or no?
Mm-hmm. That's what I
Isn't
got.
it say? Isn't it asking can they use an ANOVA hypothesis test to answer their question? They only have 2 groups, so they wouldn't use an ANOVA.
I thought the 4 different apartment building. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Huh.
Wait, okay.
Oh yeah, it's 4
'Cause
different.
there's 4 apartment. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, okay. I was like, okay.
I just
Yeah,
thought it.
but you're right. If it was only 2, then we wouldn't be able to. All these are so tricky. I feel like.
Yeah.
And it's a type 1 error for number 13.
Yep, the first one. Cool. And then for 14, we have the first one by reducing the probability committing a type 1 error. We increase the probability of committing a type 2 error.
Wait, isn't that the first one?
Yeah, that's the first one.
Oh, I thought you said the third one for some reason. Okay,
Oh.
never mind.
I could have potentially have said it by accident, but I meant the first one.
Okay. Okay.
Oh yeah, they look very similar too. So at the significance level, you're going to reject the HO.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So
The independent samples t-test.
Yep.
oh yeah. And then for 17, I got the last one.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Yeah, me too.
Andy, did you want help with something? We don't want to leave you behind.
Oh, sorry, mine locked up and I had to open the quiz again somewhere else.
Oh, dang.
But now I'm with you.
Okay.
Okay, so for number 18, I got the first one.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Why would
So,
you use that one versus the second one?
oh my gosh. Oh, it's unknown. Sorry, I thought they were exactly the same. So I think that, well, let me open the book real quick because this,
What did you guys get for 19?
I got 2.025.
Me too.
And then 20, 11.168.
Mm-hmm.
And then 21, 15.217.
Yep.
You guys are all still there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was just looking at something in the book. 2011.168.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you looked up in book 18 is still the first one, right?
Yeah, I was trying to find where it explained it in chapter 13 about it. I just can't find it.
There's a lot about confidence intervals in lesson 10.
Yeah, maybe it's back in that one too. But I thought it was in 13.
Confidence intervals?
Yeah. But again,
Yeah, maybe look in lesson 10.
because it could be the other one, but I thought it was the unknown just from what I remember learning. But
Unknown for which question?
18. What did you get? Did you get number 1 too?
I got number 1.
I just thought it was number 1, but honestly, I'm not 100% certain.
Yeah, that's what yeah, me neither.
So
Thank
it's
you,
saying a
friend.
soil scientist connected around. Well, it would be unknown because he doesn't know what the population standard deviation is. And it's not like he's taking multiple different
He's only taking one.
sets of samples.
Mm-hmm.
So it wouldn't be independent or dependent samples. And it wouldn't be known because it's definitely not a known
Yeah.
standard deviation.
Also, he only has one sample, so why would it be independent samples or dependent? Because
Exactly.
one set.
Okay, now I see why I chose it. You're always good at explaining. You're good. Do you tutor or anything?
Who are you talking to?
You?
Me? Nope, I don't.
You're good at explaining.
Thank you.
Oh, by the way, I saw you on campus
Where?
in the library, but I was tutoring, so I was like, didn't want to yell and.
I work there actually. I work on the first floor.
Oh, really? Okay, that's cool. I think it looked like you were doing rounds, but maybe you weren't, or I don't know what you're doing, but.
I was just going to get books.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Okay, so that makes more sense too. What you were just saying about 18. Okay. 20. We got 21, so now we're on 22, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was thinking the third one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Back to these bounds again. I mean, it's easy, but
Exactly.
you get negative 423.238, or did I do that wrong too?
I got negative 423, but when I went through just the multiple choice things that they had, and I marked those, so there could be decimal points after that, but I just have what they're showing in the multiple choice questions.
Oh, okay. What did it show again in the multiple choice?
Negative 423, even rounded up.
Oh, okay. I did 0.238, but you could probably round it up if you want. But I know those computer things for multiple choice are a little bit different sometimes, so I'm sure we'll accept it.
I think I did this one wrong, so I'm the information.
Okay. I got 5,417.336.
Wait, what?
5417.336.
Hmm.
What did you get?
I just got the same number just without the decimal points.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. That's probably good.
Because
Okay, wait. 5,417.336.
Mhm.
Okay, sorry. I think I put it into the paired sample t-test or something, because. Okay. Okay, I'm all good. I'm all caught up.
Did you get ANOVA?
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool. Who wants to do the next one?
I'll do it. I got 7.978 for the test statistic.
7.978. Yep, that's what I got.
Then 0.002 for the p-value.
Sorry, what'd you say?
I got 0.002 for the p-value.
Okay.
You want to do the next one, Kaylee?
My computer is like freezing out. I don't know what's happening.
Okay. Did you get number 4?
Yes. Okay. There's sufficient evidence to conclude that the mean bone blah 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 is different.
Yes, that one. Blah, blah, blah.
At least one group of the groups.
Yes, at least one of the groups.
Okay. You guys can keep going on. I'm just gonna reset my browser and see if that helps.
Okay. $29 dependent sample test.
Yeah.
And oh my God, hold on.
And the test the the test statistic was 1.685
Yep, perfect.
and the p-value was 0.096.
Yep. And then the last one be there is sufficient evidence to conclude that there is a difference in the mean cost of tickets purchased 14 days in advance compared to 90 days in advance.
I got there is insufficient evidence.
Cool. Why did you say there's insufficient?
Because I wasn't reading. Okay, because I wasn't reading it correctly. Because for some reason, I was thinking that 0.09 was bigger than the 0.1.
Oh,
yeah.
point
The
like
The 0.09 is smaller than 0.1, so that would be insufficient evidence. You would reject the null hypothesis.
Wait, so there would be sufficient evidence, right? If it's bigger?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I got my thing back up.
Because the p-value is smaller, you will reject the null hypothesis. And the null hypothesis is that there
I
is...
guess on the last one. I got the second one for the last one.
Yes.
Okay, and then so 28 was the last one.
32?
28 was the last one, or no, sorry, I just refreshed my.
I was like,
Yeah, I meant like for 28, it's the last answer. Like,
no, it's the fourth one, the second to last.
oh, okay. And then 29 was the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And 30 was 1.685.
Yep.
And 31 was 0.096.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
And 32 is the second one.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Oh,
Angie,
okay.
do you have questions on anything? Do you want us to go over?
Let me just.
Okay, I turned it in. We got 100%. We're good.
Yay.
Cool.
Yay. Weird counting system on this one.
Interesting.
I know, some were 2, some were both half points, some were 1.
I feel like a psychology test sometimes.
What'd you say?
I said that these quizzes feel like a psychology test sometimes.
Right? I know.
Okay. I think I just need to get that equation for when it's known written down. I'm all set.
Okay.
You guys need anything else?
Do you need anything, Angie?
Can I just confirm with you number 24?
Yeah. If I can get back to it, it is 5,417.336. Or without it, I'm not really sure. I mean, did it work for you? Wait, who had the? Oh, yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. I'll just work through the Excel things on my own. So
Did you get the answers for them just as a backup, or?
I think I did.
Sweet. Next time you be in the library, you should say hi so that I can actually see you in person.
Okay, I will. I'll find you.
See you guys.
See you later.
Okay, see ya.
Angie, let me know if you have any questions, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Angie, do you have any more questions? You promise?
No, I think I'm just gonna work through it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, text me if you have any questions, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.